What's up, Kevin? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is vlog number 3. Got a bunch going on today, per usual. Let's see what we can get into. We can talk about this actually. This is a previous project we wrapped. I want to say like 3-4 months ago. This is a Nazatech Celestial Unicorn. She had brought it back for some touch-ups, but we actually just painted the brake calipers on this. So I'm gonna let Kevin give you a close-up on those. Probably some B-roll, little snippet of that.
Nice.
Actually, let's go see what Alex is doing. We know exactly where he's at today, so a little different. Alex is working on this commercial wrap. Almost done. Both sides are done. We just need to get the back door done. That's what he's working on now. That'll be gone tomorrow. What else we got? We got a suspension job going on. We'll talk about it a little later. Doing a full drop kit, sway bars, and camber kit on a 2020 Model S. So we'll save that for the end, but you guys will enjoy that. So we got Bryce training Devin today on how to do a paint correction the right way. So let's go check that out. Mess with them for a little bit. That boy. Devin doing his thing, perfecting this craft. Bryce's background is paint correction, so that's our guy with that. But he's showing Devin how to do it the right way, the proper way. So. Compa / LU. He's working on actually an S2000 bumper. They believe it's an AP2. The reason why I say that is he's doing paint protection film on it, and it actually has to get a custom setup done. What I mean by that is there's not a pattern necessarily in the system for that bumper. So in those situations, what we have to do most of the time is quote unquote bulk it, which is basically like wrapping a bumper with a whole sheet. You know, you don't have all the templates, cutouts, and things like that. But let's show you an example of what I'm talking about. This one, Compa is doing a basically custom pattern. What I mean by that is within all here, everything here, basically has to custom bulk it, which means sheet the whole thing, come back and do our relief cuts and do the pattern we would like to. What we want to do it. Typically for these older cars though, you're not going to find that pattern in your DAP system or most systems. Older cars, newer cars, obviously, you know, everything in between. Most of the time they have it, but with stuff like this, we tend to go custom just for extra coverage. Pattern, you know, does a great job, but a lot of times ends up short with these, you know, aftermarket bumpers. We just want to do the best we can, so get extension here, here, and here, and things like that. So I know in the previous vlogs we had one AMG. Right now, for whatever reason, we have a whole fleet's worth. There's about 5-6 vehicles worth, all getting stealth paint protection film. Full front on this one, nothing too crazy. Model Y, and then full stealth on these two as well. Both these Model S's. We got Nick prepping the edges right now. Just kind of going over every seam to make sure it's clean. That way when we go to, you know, do our work with the PPF, we can tuck and make sure it sticks really well. So, the weather's just as bad as it was last time. A little depressing, but gotta do what we gotta do. Man, it sucks, bro. All these cars are being delivered today, and it was shiny and clean this morning, but yeah, now they're getting poured on, so it is what it is. Weather doesn't make it much better either, but we're still doing our thing. bunch of projects going on. Both of these just got tinted too, actually. So, yeah. We'll probably get into some footage later of us doing the suspension parts on that Model S. You guys would probably enjoy that. I personally did the work on that one, so we got some B-roll of that. And then we'll show you the finishing clips too. We didn't get much before, but you'll definitely be able to tell there's been some adjustments to the suspension. So.